Good day, fellas. Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to easily open the zip files in the Android, also RAW files as well, and other archive files. So there's a handy app called RAW. It's also WinRAR on Windows that you can use to archive files and also to, of course, unzip files and basically open the archives and then unarchive them. It's very easy. So guys, in order to open up the file, the zip file, let me show you how. Right, so as you can see in my file explorer, I have these two files, but if I try to open them in the native Android application, as you can see, I can only extract them. You can indeed do this, but if you want to, for example, browse your files inside of the archive without just merely extracting them, you can use this app called RAW. So let me navigate to it. So this is the app that I've shown you, and now let us actually open the actual archive. So you just long press, then more, then open in another app, and choose RAW. And as you can see, all of the files that are contained in this archive are now shown, and you can do anything you want with them. You can just press this check mark on the right, and then press on this arrow up and this icon with the archive, like that, and then you just choose the destination path where to unzip it and unarchive it, and you will get your extracted files in that destination. So very easy, guys. Enjoy the tutorial, of course. As always, drop a like and support us by subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you soon.